Welcome back to another video. Today, guess what we have in today? That's right. We have the IE Stage 1 tune for the Audi A6. So stay tuned. First thing is first, connect your car on a trickle charge. I have mine already set up. And then get yourself a nice, reliable laptop. Alright, now I got my OBD2 adapter. Just gonna go ahead and already connect this. That's good. All right, now we're gonna open the app that that you have to download. Connect your USB. All right, after enrolling your cable, your email, your name, you're gonna go through the screen. Excuse the noise background. It's always loud here. I'm gonna go to Tune. We already got the trickle charge on. All right, so we're gonna register the owner cable VIN. All right, guys, we're gonna have a change of plan, so we're not gonna do the A6 tune since it's not compatible with that engine. It is the C7.5, so I was going back and forth with the tuning company, emailing, and they told me they no longer support that engine. So instead of doing that, we're gonna do the Q5. We're inside the vehicle. I did forget to mention I do have the trickle slash battery maintainer now, so that way the battery doesn't drain. We'll put the car in on position. We'll go to the app that I downloaded. We're going to hit Tune. It's already on the charger. It's already in the OBD2. It's on position already. I'll do that off camera. Registration is complete. Go to engine. Go stage 1. And it's flashing it now. We just gotta wait. Wait, we gotta hit the flash button. Alrighty. I already purchased it, so. Alrighty, it's almost downloading. We're at 99. Process took about 6 to 8 minutes. Turn it, no, we're gonna turn it off. I'm gonna click on the ignition is off. All right, so it looks like we're done. We're gonna disconnect the cable, OBD2, take the charger off, and see what this bad boy does, and kind of review the product and see if it actually works. Do I feel a difference? We'll go from there. All right off the bat, we got a check engine light. So I got my Foxwell hooked up. All right, we're going with speed limit. We're gonna keep it at speed limit, so we'll see what this has. Oh yeah, this goes all the way to almost red line. Yep, you feel the difference for sure. I'm gonna do a few more pulls. Honestly, the car feels more responsive now. I don't feel that turbo lag as I used to at the beginning of the, when I was at a stop sign or a red light I'm trying to go. There's a milliseconds of lag in there where it takes time for the gas to kick in and make the car go forward. But now it's all minimized. It actually feels way better. So there you guys have it, the IE Tune. I actually do like the Tune. I will definitely buy it for one of my other cars, but unfortunately I know we were not able to do it for the A6. I guess I'm gonna have to take it to a different tuner and see where I can get it done, or I might just have to ship it out to ECS Tuning and get it done there with the APR Stage 1 tune. Sorry guys, I had to come inside the car. It's so windy outside. Like I said, the Tune was easy to install. It took about 6 to 7 minutes to get it installed. Besides that check engine light that I had when I turned the car on, I was able to clear it out with the Foxwell scanner. So I've drove the car, been driving it. It feels good, it pulls good, it responds way better. So I would definitely recommend this product if you guys are looking to tune your car stage 1. I would definitely go for it. It's a no-brainer. So again guys, see you guys on the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe, share the video. On to the next video.